Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the TechStream. In this video, I am going to show how to install ColorOS 13 Close Beta 2 from OxygenOS 12 and even how to roll back to OxygenOS 12 on OnePlus 8 series devices. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. OnePlus has started rolling out OxygenOS 13 Close Beta for the OnePlus 8 series devices, and I must say it is really solid and very good. So many people were asking about the installation procedure of ColorOS 13 Close Beta from OxygenOS 12. So in this video, I am going to show you the same. As you guys can see, I am currently on OxygenOS 12 build number C.35. For installing ColorOS 13, first you need to roll back to OxygenOS 11. I have attached the rollback files in the description below for the OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and 8T. Once you have downloaded the file, paste it in the local storage of your device and now install the System Updater application, also attached in the description below. Now open the System Update app and click on the settings icon and select the rollback file that we downloaded. This is going to install OxygenOS 11 on your device. Make sure to take a complete backup of your data, as this procedure is going to wipe all your data. Now wait for OxygenOS 11 to install completely and boot into the device. Once you have installed OxygenOS 11, installing ColorOS 13 Close Beta is very easy. Download the ColorOS 13 Close Beta file linked in the description below and again copy it in the internal storage of your device. Once that is done, go to System Settings, About Phone, tap the build number 7 times. This is going to enable developer options on your device. Now go to System Updates, tap the 3-dot icon, select Local Update and select the ColorOS 13 Close Beta file. That's it. Let this file install properly and your device will boot into the new ColorOS 13. So that was it for installing ColorOS 13 on your device. Now if you want to roll back to OxygenOS 12 again, the procedure is again very simple. First roll back to OxygenOS 11 and then update to OxygenOS 12. For rolling back to OxygenOS 11, we are going to use the same rollback files we used earlier. I have attached the files in the description below. Once you have downloaded the file, paste it in the local storage of your device and now install the System Updater application. Open the System Updater application, click on the settings icon and select the rollback file that we downloaded. Once this file is installed, your device will boot into OxygenOS 11. Now installing OxygenOS 12 is very easy. Just update using the Oxygen Updater application, and once this update is complete, you will have OxygenOS 12 on your device. That's it for this video. That's how you can install ColorOS 13 and roll back to OxygenOS 12. Comment down if you are facing any issues with this procedure. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.